Nakakita ka ani na property? This property is gipalit nako 2 years ago, amounting to 1.4 million only. Karon nahuman na siya, 100% na. Now, it is ready to loan for the bank. The developer allows me to pay 5,000K per month as an equity for 36 months. Karon, ako ni siyang i-loan sa Pag-ibig. Ang monthly amortization ani is only 8K per month. Karon, this is a semi-finish. Wala pa siya tiles. Ako ni siyang paninduton ang sulod. Karon, ako siyang paabangan into 12K per month. So, na ako'y return of investment nga 4K per month. This is one of the perfect example of my burst strategy. I buy it low price by putting 10 to 20% down payment, 5K per month. Then, the remaining balance, loan to the Pag-ibig. O ako siyang paninduton. Karon ako na siyang parintahan, then ako lang siyang i-repeat ang process by using this simple strategy, the buy low price, the rent, the renovate, and repeat the process. Di lang nimo mahibaw-an, daghan na kag property nga gi-accumulate in just 1 year.